Many people may have heard of disperse dyes, but do you actually know what they are? Today, let's take a closer look at this special type of dye. What are disperse dyes? Simply put, disperse dyes are dyes made specifically for coloring polyester, which is basically a plastic-based fiber. Think of it like trying to paint a plastic toy. Regular paint just won't stick. You need a special type made just for plastic. It's the same idea with disperse dyes and polyester. Why are they called disperse dyes? Because they don't dissolve in water. Imagine throwing a handful of fine sand into water. It doesn't dissolve, it just floats around. Disperse dyes work the same way. They can't fully dissolve, so they have to be stirred and broken up into tiny particles that spread evenly throughout the water. That spreading action is called dispersing, and that's exactly where the name comes from. What are the key features of disperse dyes? First, high temperature required. They won't color the fabric at room temperature. You need around 130 BC or higher under high pressure, like a pressure cooker, to force the color deep into the fibers. Second, strong color fastness. The colors stay put. They resist washing, sunlight, and rubbing without fading easily. Third, wide range of colors. From deep dark shades to light pastels to bright vivid colors, disperse dyes can do it all. Fourth, soft feel. Unlike coatings or paints that can make fabric feel stiff, disperse dyes keep the fabric feeling soft. What ribbons and materials are disperse dyes best for? Polyester ribbons, nylon ribbons, reflective tapes, bag straps, seat belts, and printed ribbons, all types of synthetic fibers. One-sentence summary: disperse dyes the go-to dye for polyester. Like sand spreading through water, they disperse into the dye bath and are forced into the fiber with high heat and pressure, giving you strong, long-lasting color that won't fade. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it, and follow our channel for more.